the all best feature this smartphone. So the name of this smartphone is Redmi Turbo 5 Max. You can purchase you, but launched by other country. You get to see a very good battery inside this smartphone. So watch the entire video. If you like the video, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Jai Surviran Banga. So let's start the video. If I talk about its RAM, then it is 12 GB RAM and 256 GB internal storage inside you can see. If I talk about its battery and big battery, then it is 9000 mAh battery. If I talk about its processor, then it is MediaTek Dimensity 9500S processor. If I talk about its refresh rate, then it is 120 Hz refresh rate. If I talk about its rear camera, then it is two rear camera 50 plus 8 megapixel. If I talk about its front camera, then it is 20 megapixel front camera. If I talk about its IP rating, then it is IP69K IP rating. If I talk about its display size, then it is 6.83-inch display size. If I talk about its connectivity, then it is Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, USB Type-C. You can see all these features inside it. And if I talk about its Android version, then it is Android 16. And if I talk about its SIM, then it is a two SIM card slot. Inside you see. If I talk about its sensor, then it is face unlock sensor, fingerprint sensor and proximity sensor and other sensor. Inside you can see. So how was the video? If you like the video, then do like the video and subscribe to the channel.